Hi guys, hoping you're all doing well. So today we're going to talk about a very special student who got 76 out of 100 in advanced accounting, and in accounting standards for his presentation he got 19 out of 20. We're going to see how he wrote his answers and few key points for us to note. Now, but before I get into it, a little bit about this student. For Inter, he took a few attempts to clear a CA Inter exam. This is the paper in which he cleared not the first attempt, but after a few attempts in CA Inter. But in CA final, Group 2, he cleared in the first attempt. And now he is waiting for results, and very soon he will be a chartered accountant. So, it means sometimes in life, in CA Inter or foundation, it can take time for you, but CA final will be a cakewalk for you. Why that delay happens? Maybe he was just getting ready for the CA course. You will see in this answer sheet, he was one of my students. You can see how so well he's written. Even I have so much to learn from him actually. I asked him, okay, you got 76 out of 100, pa. Okay, tell me some key points that you have done. He told, I've used more working notes for accounting standards, which I'm going to show you. He used many tables by giving working note references. I will show you that also. Handwriting, he writes just like me, guys. We both have similar handwriting. Not good, that means I'm trying to say. Handwriting is not that important to get marks. Conclusion is mandatory not only in law paper but also in accounts paper. Let's straight away get to his accounting standard paper. Look at this. Okay, this paper does not belong to the latest exam. About one or two attempts old. I think exactly it is last attempt in old syllabus November 23. But who cares, guys? Presentation is what matters, and this is something I wanted to share with you all. Look at his answer, question 6b, which talks about buyback. Sir, we have buyback in syllabus. That means relevant for you. Okay. Now look at this. Final answer he told, buyback can be least of the above, which is 1 lakh shares. He has given the three tests over here: working note 1, working note 2, working note 3, outstanding shares, resource test, and debt equity ratio test. And once you go down, he has given for working note 1 outstanding shares how we got 1 lakh, then resource test very neatly presented how we got the second one, and third how we got in debt equity ratio test. Sir, what are few things to note here which students miss, sir? Look at this. Paid up share capital is 40 lakhs. Free reserves is 76 lakhs. Only when I add both, you will get this 1 crore 16 lakhs. He has shown here in the breakup that A plus B is very, very important. Similarly, look at the conclusion for this answer. Most of us write, what do we write? We write this amount and then we leave it. But look at the conclusion he has given for the theory answer, guys. A sum answer. Therefore, company's intention to buy back 80,000 equity shares at 25 per share is within the provisions of Companies Act. In accounts, he is writing. And how much he got for this? Full marks. He got full marks for this question, guys. Let me show you one more question how he has presented, which is very important for us. Okay. And he has done the workings, amount to transfer to CRR. He got full 4 out of 5 out of 5. Okay. Next, question 6C. AS 26. Very much part of your syllabus. Okay. Here, we are talking about period, benefit, ratio, and amortization. You have the cash flow over here, amortization, everything is given. Correct, those two are over there. What are the key things over here? Look at this. This one. What am I circling there? It is nothing but cash flow into ratio. He's showing that breakup on top. And then, if you come down, look at this. Okay, this is the answer, sir. This 38 lakh 40,000. What to do with that? He's writing in the side to be amortized in the ratio. That is about previous question. He got full 5 out of 5. Just one side answer. Next, I'll go to 6.1. How to write journal entries. I will challenge you. These are some mistakes you will make. Sir, I forgot to write debit credit along with denomination rupees and amount. I forgot the date on the left hand side. Journal entries in whose books? My books are? Your books are? Journal entries in the books of whatever company name. Some R Limited, Roar Limited, whatever. Then come down. Look at journals. Narration is so important, and this 36,000 that he wrote, breakup is there in the narration itself. That is important. We don't write the breakup there. We will write somewhere in working note. Examiner, come on, treasurant, find out my answer, examiner. Okay, look for every journal. Look at the narration. Wherever there is breakup, he has given it right next to the journal itself. Okay, sir, what about this left hand side? There are multiple dates. So he wrote 2 dates for that entry for the whole period. Let's keep going. Okay, of course there will be mistakes. Don't be like, sir, one mistake is there over here. Fine. Then we will go to some other question of his. I'll just show you another 1 or 2 questions for you to get a fair bit of idea. What are the points he told? More working notes. I showed you that. Used many tables. I showed you that. Handwriting not important. By now you should have figured that out. Conclusion is mandatory for accounts also. AS20. Look at this question. AS20. Computation of EPS. First in accounting standard should always be the answer. In accounting standard, first should always be the answer. So here you can see he wrote the answer on top. For each of the basic and diluted EPS or rights adjustment factor, he has given working note reference and then he has given working notes below. Very important. Many students, I don't know why they missed this. A is net profit. B is Vane's number of equity shares. Only when you do A divided by B, you will get EPS up. He has written that here, see. Many students will assume examiner will find this by himself. Okay. So these are the important ones. Yeah, you can see the presentation. If you want, I'll share his answer sheet in again description of the video, guys. Don't worry. I already got the feedback not to collect your mobile number and all of that. I will just give a Google Drive link. You can just download over there and see how he wrote. Look at this breakup over here. Okay, you can see the breakup he has done for the working notes. Purchase consideration, how it has come. Look at the breakup he has given. Okay, always you can see in his answer, first he has given the main answer and below this he has given working notes. What is my advice, sir, for presentation for accounts? I have a simple presentation technique. I will write any number which is not there in question paper and that number is there in your answer sheet, even if it is as simple as 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, then that breakup should be there in your answer sheet. Let me know in the comments how this video was, guys, especially the output. I am very happy today. Maybe there is some lag, etc. But after teaching for 5 to 6 years now, guys, I used to take all your YouTube videos in studios or in classrooms. First time I'm recording a video from my house at night, 11:45 p.m. I'm recording this. I can't do this anywhere else. I have spent a lot of money in the setup in the house. With help of so many people, finally the setup is ready in the house. So I'm happy today. And let me know in the comments what more you need. We will provide everything that you guys need for Jan 25 exams. All the best. Keep the confidence going, guys. Your time will come. Manifest the results and the results will be yours. Thank you so much. Have a great day.